hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 33 of GK for class 2, and the name of the chapter is Signs of Road, right? So जैसे कि हमें पता है हम लोग जब भी रोड पर चलते हैं तो वहाँ पर साइड में कुछ साइंस लगे होते हैं, राइट? और वो साइंस हमें इंडिकेट करते हैं कि आगे क्या चीज़ है, सो दैट हम लोग पहले से ही उन चीज़ों से अवेयर हो जाए, राइट? सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट कि इस चैप्टर में हम लोग उस साइन से कैसे रिलेट कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो हेयर आर फ्यू कॉमन साइंस. तो हमें यहाँ पर कुछ कॉमन रोड साइंस के पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं, राइट? सो डू यू नो व्हाट दे स्टैंड फॉर? तो दे आर आस्किंग कि क्या आपको पता है कि ये किस चीज़ के लिए हमें दर्शाते हैं, राइट? ये जो सिंबल्स हैं ये हमें क्या दर्शाते हैं? व्हाट सिग्नल दे आर गिविंग अस? सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट. So the first image, as you can see over here, it says that no U-turn, right? So here it is made a U and it has been cut. So इसीलिए हम लोग इसको क्या consider करते हैं? We consider it as a no U-turn sign. So let's write out on the first. So it is no U-turn. After that, next, the second image, it states that the road is narrow ahead, right? So we'll write here narrow road ahead. After that, next we have third one. This means that this street is only for one way. We cannot use this street again, right? So this is known as one-way street. Next, as we can see that a man is working in this image. So we'll identify this image as men at work. Men at work. Okay. So in the next image, as you can see कि यहाँ पर हमें दो speed breakers दिखाए हुए हैं, right? So this sign is considered as speed breaker ahead. Speed breaker ahead. Next, the sixth one, which says it is showing the left direction but it is being cut over here. That means you cannot take left turn over here. So this is considered as no left turn signal. No left turn. After that, we can see that there is a speaker but it is also being cut over here. So that means no horn please. We cannot blow horn at that area. So no horn please. No horn please, right? After that, we can see that a school boy is running over here, right? A school boy is running over here. So this signal states that school ahead. So we'll write this over here only. SCHOOL, school ahead. HEAD, ahead. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you all have learned more about the signs of road. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.